Hey, welcome everyone in this special video about building an auto battle game. In this video, we're not going to do anything regarding the code, so you may want to skip that video. We're going to do a graphical update of the project because I've been wanting to do that for a long time. But I'm not going to be talking when doing this. We'll be doing the graphical update in the next video. So the next video is going to be muted, mostly because I wanna just chill out and listen to some music. But I won't be able to upload the video if I put the music on, if I record the sound, because musics are copyrighted, and it's gonna mute the video anyway. But I wanted to make that video to show you some things I've done to set up the graphical update. So first thing I've done was to download one of the free assets available this month, Medieval Kingdom. So I'm going to use that asset to level up the project, but this asset is only available during August 2020. So if you arrive at another month, don't worry. I have other links here of free assets which you can download to level up your project. And also I've downloaded that. I didn't download, I purchased that. So I know that's really looking like a mobile game, a free cheap mobile game, but it was just I just liked it very much. It's exactly the mood I want. It's like I'm doing this project mostly because I want to chill out with friends playing that, and this is exactly the mood I want, and also because I want to do these tutorials. I mean this series, obviously. So yeah, I've bought that. This is my question. So I've downloaded that for the UI, I've downloaded that for the interface, and imported um, I've imported the paid version of that asset. So this is a pack of cell shader, so you can go for kind of a cartoony mood. And I have the pro version of that pack, so I've downloaded that, but you can download the light version if you want to improve the rendering, the graphical rendering of your engine, of your project. I'm going to link everything in the video description, everything I'm talking about. So you have this if you want to improve the rendering, like I was saying. So I can close this and that. And we have a bunch of UI I found on opengameart.org. So I was thinking that it was kind of cheating to have purchased a pack, and you maybe can't purchase a pack. So I know that site, opengameart.org, it's a site where you can download art for free and use them in, it depends on the copyright. You have to check out each assets you download if you can use it in commercial project. And I think you have to ask for permission. But for a learning project, you can use anything for free. So I've searched for GUI, and I have found a bunch of interesting stuff, interesting packs of UIs. So I've made a selection for you. I'm going to link all of them. And of course, I've downloaded a font which corresponds to the UI I've purchased. So I'm going to link that font. This is a place where you can download fonts for free and use them in your learning project or teaching project in my case. And of course, make sure to check the copyright if you want to use these fonts in your commercial project. A lot of them are not actually free to use in commercial project. So I'm going to keep that link open, and I'm not going to, I'm going to open that as well advanced cell shader. This is the one I have. Yeah, so I closed that one. I didn't want because I want to give you this link. And we have a bunch of other free assets such as this one, uh, free assets, free asset. So I know, and free asset as well. So I know the GUI I've purchased doesn't, not the GUI, sorry, the kit. That kit doesn't really suits my game cosmetics of the unit, the game cosmetics of the unit, but I don't really care for now. I just want things to be a little bit less sad when I start the game. So I've added all of that into the project. So this is all the static mesh contained within the medieval package, the free medieval package. One tip, when you add stuff to your project, if you want to set up things quickly, I imported all stuff at once, all packs. Then I go to content, to the root of my folder. I search for all level. Then I select them all and I right click. And it's gonna load any resource used in these maps that are not loaded. So when you just added assets, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna load everything. It's gonna compile shaders. And once you hit right click, you can just go hit or sleep or whatever, and you're going to let your engine do the loading stuff. And that way, when you come back to your project, you can freely browse through the assets you've just added without having to wait for the load time whenever you click a new static mesh. So apparently there was something I didn't load because it's taking a long time to right click that. And another thing I'm doing is, for example, I've imported the UI pack uh, casual game. I I had to go and this is this file PNG. I had to go there. I've filtered by texture. There was 3,000 texture. There are 3,000 texture. I right clicked them all and I changed bulk edit via property matrix, and I've changed their texture type to UI for all of them. And of course we have Befio, so this is the medieval, I was showcasing that, and shaders, these two are from the post-process pack. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you how I'm going to import a new font in the project. So we're going to create a new folder called font. I've downloaded the font. We want these. We want to import them. We want to say no all. We don't want to create a font face. We want to create it by hand. User interface we want. Yep. Font. Oh no, I don't think that's it. Yeah. How do we do this? Yeah. I'm wondering. We have something called font face, I think. But I'm not sure why. Oh yeah, I know why. It might be create new. I want a font. Can't I search for? I don't know where they put that in 4.25. And that's the last thing I'm gonna do anyway. So if you wanna up off, you can. I want to create a font out of this. And what if I create? Okay, so this is a font face. This is a font. So this is gonna be called Main texts, we don't care for now. We want to open that up. Add font. This is going to be, double click that. This is going to be default. We're going to have bold. And I think we have, okay, we have black and bold. So this is going to be black. This is going to be bold. This is going to be regular. We're going to say it's like 16, so we can see that. And we've imported a font that we can use in all of our text. So yeah, that's pretty much set up. We're set up for the graphical updates. So I'm going to shut down that video. In the next one, sound is going to be muted. And I hope to see you there. Bye bye.